Alright guys, it's already Wednesday. Today we're going to talk about one-step equations with inequalities. So, just like equations are inequalities, we're going to treat our inequalities just like they're equal signs. So if we have 2x is greater than or equal to 8, what might satisfy it? 1, 3, 4, or 6. So, would 2 times 1 be greater than 8? No, we can't circle that. Would 2 times 3 be greater than 8? Yes. 2 times 4? Yes. 2, it would be equal to, right? Oh, wait a second. 2 times 3 would not be greater than or equal to 8. It would be 6, right? But 2 times 4 would equal 8, and 2 times 6 would be greater than 8. So those would both work. So 4 and 6, but not 1 and 3. Then you might see something like x minus 3 is less than 9. So if you were choosing from 16, 5, 18, or 10, you would say, okay, 16 minus 3, that's 13, and 13 is not less than 9. 5 minus 3 is 2, which is less than 9, so that would make it true. 18 minus 3 would be 15, and that is not less than 9. 10 minus 3 is 7, and that is less than 9, so that would work too. Okay, so that's how you would think, can those possibly satisfy that inequality? So I want you to think about this one. X divided by 2, when is that greater than 9? And 5x is less than or equal to 10. So if you were choosing from 2, 20, 6, and 8 for this one, you would say 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 is not greater than 9. 20 divided by 2 is 10, which is greater than 9. 6 divided by 2 is 3, which is not. 8 divided by 2 is 4, which is not. So only 20 for that one. Now for 5x is less than or equal to 10, I want you to try that with 5, 1, 2, and 4. Go ahead and pause your video and try that. Alright, 25 is not less than or equal to 10. 5, so I'm saying 5 times this one, right? 5 times 1 is, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 4 is 20. That's too much, right? That's not less than or equal to 10. Okay, so then you may also be solving the inequality and graphing the solution. So what I want you to do is pretend like this equal sign is just, this inequality is just like an equal sign. So here we just have to undo the subtraction. So we're going to add 2 to both sides. Okay, so now you have x is greater than 4. So then when you would graph it, greater than 4 would be open because it's not greater than or equal to, right? And remember, your arrow is going that way, so my arrow when I graph is going to go to the right. What about x over 3 is less than or equal to 7? Can you guys pause your video and try that one? Alright, remember you're undoing division, so you're going to multiply both sides by 3. So we have 1x, or just x, is less than or equal to 7 times 3, which is 21. So then you're going to find the 21, wherever it is. Oh, not a 24, a 21. You're going to place a closed dot there because it's or equal to, right? And then your arrow is going to go just like that to the left because it's less than. Okay, that's how you would graph those. So these will all be pretty simple. Remember, they're just one-step equations. So you're undoing the addition, you're undoing the multiplication with division, you're undoing the addition with subtraction, you're undoing the division with multiplication, or the subtraction with addition. So I just want you to do a couple more of these. X over 9 is greater than 4. 5x is less than 15. And x plus 1 is less than 9. So just do these three. Remember, to undo division, you have to do what to both sides? So you have 1x is greater than 36. Right? So you would find the 36, plot an open circle, and your arrow is going to be the same direction. Look, right? That way. Then you have to undo this multiplication by dividing both sides by 5. So you have x is less than 15. So your arrow is going to go to the left. See if you drew a line through there. So on your number line, you're going to find the 15. It's going to be open. And then your line is going to go to the left. Alright, pause your video, try that last one. Remember, you're going to undo the addition with subtraction, so you end up with x is less than 8. Remember, if it was equal to, it would be closed, because it could possibly be that number. But since it's not, it's open at the 8. And again, see how if I drew a line right from my less than symbol, it would be an arrow to the left. So we are going to draw our arrow to the left. Alright, hopefully that's another easy one today. Don't forget to follow the link to complete the teacher-made assignment.